baby up. So a while ago I did a video comparing like beeswax, natural wax, and like jewellers' saw piercing wax and stuff, and natural beeswax was by far the best. Really, really good. If you can get a chunk of this wax, like natural wax, really, really good, and it smells really nice as well. Can't stop smelling it. I just wanted to say, I used to do this years ago, and I stopped. But I'm going to do it again now. If you have a bit of wax, if you put it like just there, you can, I mean, this is really sticky, I'm going to put that there, but if you just melt it with a lighter and then just get it a bit damp on the surface and just squash it there. I wouldn't go too close to your bench peg, because if you're hammering, like you got your ring stick against that and you're hammering, if it's touching that and that's stuck on there, the vibrations can knock it off. So have it away from your bench peg a little bit, but just stuck right there, and it's really convenient. So you're sawing away, like you can see I just cut that off a bit of candle, that's why I've got my wax blade in. But yeah, you just just do that. I would go up once, not down, because if you go down, you're clogging up your teeth on your saw blade, so they don't actually do a good job until that wax is cleared out. So I always go up, and then, yeah, it's just so convenient when it's there. Also, you can use it for drills. I mean, a pot of oil is preferable for drilling, but wax does work on your drill. So drill, 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 or I need to lube it, boink, back in there, and then drill, drill, drill. It's just really convenient being right there, so I recommend it. So that was it for this video, just a little top tip, a little nugget of information, something you can do to modify your bench and help it just be more convenient when you're working with using your tools and that. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna look after this baby with a bit more care and do the editing for this video later, but thanks for watching. That was it, and then until next time, keep on jeweling. I don't have a catchphrase, so I had to make that up just now.